2 teams, 2 vehicles, 30 minutes. You're not going to want to miss it.
You thieves! Cheaters!
Where am I going? Are you cheating?
What the? Who's that guy?
10, 9, 8, 7. What comes after
we're
7?
already winning.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I believe that our winner today is going to be... Both teams will be required to wash the exterior of the vehicle as well as clean the wheels and tires before they dress them. And as a final touch, they'll be using a spray wax to give it that ultimate shine. Now you see they'll be using the similar products on 2 similar vehicles. Now before they start, I'm going to pick who's with who. I'm going to choose Joey is going to be with Emily. Henry is going to be with Sam.
We're going to win.
Both teams have 30 minutes. Loser gets fired. The clock starts now.
Go! Oh, it's going! All right. We have this. So get everything. I can't touch anything.
All right, you can't. All right, everything, like everything,
Yeah.
like all this. These. All right, all
I
right.
would say leave that stuff here.
We're already winning.
We're gonna fill up the bucket.
Okay.
Grab the wheel cleaning stuff first. So grab the brush. Grab this right here.
This is rigged. All right.
Kids, we're gonna have to clean all 4 wheels, Amelia.
Just. All right, fill it up with water.
Both?
Yeah.
All the way?
Oh, hair. I'm at a disadvantage. Ready? Why is it so slow?
That's good, right? This is good. Yeah.
That's probably like almost.
I think that's good.
All right. All the brushes? All right.
All your brushes. Now we gotta sink this at the bottom of the dirt trap. Sink it. Push
What?
it down.
What? What? Oh,
Get the dirt trap.
I got that. All right. All right. All right.
All right. No, sink. Throw everything inside there. Dump it in there.
Okay.
All right. So now rinse the wheel.
With this.
No, with the
With
water.
this. Okay.
Rinse the wheel. Now get your sticky stitching wheel gel. Put it on the spray. Perfect.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Spray the whole thing.
Ooh.
Spray the whole thing in the
They're wetting me.
Is this not spray?
They're wetting me. That's a foul.
He's touching the hose.
That's a foul right
Okay.
Cheating.
Good. I'm good. Good.
Right.
Spray it.
Right. This guy.
Just this
Come on,
part.
spray some in there.
Include.
Go crazy.
How much?
She sprayed. She sprayed.
You get it?
Yeah. It's on off.
So activate the sun.
Spray your stream.
Spray.
Whoa. Spray some of this stuff.
Now we're gonna get the red brush. Stick
Yep.
it inside the barrel.
The barrel?
Activate the suds.
Stick it in.
Like there?
Yeah, back and forth. Back and forth.
Yeah, I'm a
A
pro.
little bit.
Do it again. Aha! Okay.
All right. So now we did that. We're gonna get the wheelie brush, which is the green one.
I'm such a pro because I did this 2 days ago.
Get the blue brush and then scrub the tire.
Okay.
Just go in there. All right, Emily, we're gonna have to speed this up.
I'm okay.
There you go. Put some pep in your step. All right, grab the flap.
Scrub it. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Okay, now tire, the blue one.
Don't look at me. The wheel.
Oh,
The wheel
see?
itself. There you go. All right, now grab the blue brush and scrub the tire.
Now I'll go around. I'll meet you on that side.
All right.
Hey,
You're touching the hose.
Interference,
You cheater.
What's going on here?
Okay,
Come
next.
on, Emily. Well, I'm not cheating. That's why.
You're cheating.
if you don't cheat, you don't win.
Yeah.
Don't forget to pre-rinse this.
Pre-rinse what? Oh.
All right, go for it.
Pull this down. We're gonna go to the back.
All right.
There you go.
All right.
Fine, just go around it. Go around it.
Okay, good enough.
Wheels.
The hose right now.
Ah, look at that. Look at that.
Wheels are done.
Okay.
Wheels are done. Wheels are done.
Next one out.
Okay.
Fill it with water.
All right. All right.
All right, let's go. Get in. Get in.
I'm going. I'm going.
Help you out.
Scrub the tire.
Okay, good enough. Spray it. Not this one. Look at all that soap.
That's it. Now we're gonna open that up. Fill up the bottle with water.
Woo! Someone's cheering. Team us.
Got the straw.
Woo!
I don't know. I don't know what I can do. Okay.
Take out the straw. Here,
I got 2 straws.
Here you go. Where's my straw?
Where's all our stuff?
Oh,
Take out my straw. Grab that. Emily, grab the soap. Grab the wash mitt. No, carpet.
oh man.
Fill up 2 buckets. So just rinse it.
Did they steal our
Oh, they
things?
took mine too.
Lies.
There's 1 bucket.
They keep stealing it.
Alright, now we gotta connect the phone.
We have no idea. It was over there.
Now we gotta connect this. Oh, we got that phone.
Bam, right?
Did we lose a bucket?
Hey!
What did I not do?
You thieves! Cheaters! Wow. Let's go dump out their buckets.
All right.
I'm about to drive the car off the parking lot.
Should I just rinse it while they're soaping it? Should I do it twice?
Go ahead and rinse it. You're good.
Rinse a car?
Rinse it. You stole a bucket.
You cheaters!
So open it up.
Great. Sink your wash mitt in there, and then we got to start scrubbing side to
Ugh.
side.
Now dump it in here.
Sink
Dunk the
it.
bottle.
All right.
Boom.
Quick pass.
Boom. Boom. Side to side only. Yeah.
Yeah?
Fill it up with some soap.
Ah, seal's on.
Oh my. Here you go.
Don't help them. All right.
All right, dump it back over here.
Grenade! Here you go.
1, 2.
Here, dump out some of it. There.
Where am I going? Are you kidding?
What the?
I'm just gonna go for it.
Who's that guy?
Emily, put the thing in there. Put the
I'm going! Ah!
top of
Windows 2? Windows?
Everything.
It's too fast. It's too furious. Thank you. Look at all my fans.
Hey, stop worrying about your fans. Get to watch in the car. Stop there.
What do I do?
Plug it in. Hold on, this thing got loose. Go for it. Pull it back. Pull it back. Pull it back. There you go. Slide it in. Make sure it's cool. All right. Foam it. Foam it.
Woo! I like the. There's so much wind. I'm going. Ah!
All right, Emily. Come grab and wash it. Come grab and wash it. Oh, bring the hose. Bring the hose.
God, I hope.
Back. There you go. Let it out.
I hope we win.
All right. Now grab the wash mitt. Start from the top.
Oh, it's so heavy.
Over here. On here. Grab the straight line. Straight line. There you go.
I'm too short.
Man.
Keep going. Get this right here, Emily. All right. Too much.
All right.
Here, start drying.
All right. All right. Any special way?
And linear motion, side to side. To the window. Left to right.
Oh,
left
man.
To right. Left to right.
There's only so many directions.
You're going up and down.
Why does it matter?
There you go. There you go. It matters.
Why?
You don't want to scratch the car.
Oh,
How
yeah.
would scratching it be going
Yeah.
up and down?
I'm gonna win. I don't know what I'll do if I don't win, honestly. That's.
Side to side, yeah. Like that, side to side.
All right. Oh, man. All right.
Don't worry about the streets.
Okay.
Make sure you watch.
Okay.
There's bird poop.
Spray the car, spray the car. Go.
Oops.
Are you kidding me? Who's a cheater now?
There's bird poop on the roof.
What roof?
Right there. I can't even reach it. That's unfair.
Just do it. Go.
Go.
Careful, you're in my line of fire.
I
That's
know.
what you get
I
for
know.
washing fast.
How is this fair? All right. All right.
You go hang that up right there.
I'm colorblind. These are orange, right? These are orange. All right.
I'm trying.
Here, grab the towel better. Grab it from both ends, from the corners. There you go.
Hey, Joey, look at the squirrel.
Get this, right? Yeah?
I'll get the roof cut. See? Wait. Keep going the side. I'll just get the
All
top.
right. Wait, so what do we get if we win? We don't know.
I like that Henry is running Sam around like a drill sergeant, whereas Joe is more of a kind instructor, older brother style, very helpful. Not really.
Two styles.
Two very different styles.
Two outcomes.
Two professionals, two newbies, two Teslas. Too much to mention.
Too much of a good thing.
Same for the other two.
I only have one.
Leave it! She dropped another one. She got to one towel. Don't shut. Like that? Like that? Now wipe it straight move. Get the windows too. Get the windows too. Alright. We'll just finish wiping it down. We'll be good.
So get tire kicker, and then so we don't have an applicator. So you're gonna lightly go.
You got more than enough time.
We won. We won.
Alright, wipe down the fender. Tire shine right now. We're done. Are you done?
We won.
That's super cool, but slow and steady.
We get to keep our jobs.
We have 10 minutes. Look at all these dirt. Ah.
It's a competition.
Yeah, for the cleanest car, not the race.
You can start putting the tire shine on with that tire kicker.
Okay. This isn't a tire brush.
Not the wheel, just the tire. Just the
I'm
tire.
trying, but it's on the wheel.
It's fine. It's fine. No, we'll get it with the top.
Okay, we're done.
Time.
With over 5 minutes to spare, both teams have decided that they're done with their vehicle wash, so now we're going to go around and inspect both vehicles to check that both vehicles have been thoroughly detailed, but also to check their work. So we're going to start off with Henry and Sam's vehicle. I'll let it slide that there's a few water spots up here. I understand that there's a little bit of wind blowing, maybe a little trash talking, a little bit of cheating. But what I won't let slide is the amount of soap that is still on the grill.
Dun, dun, dun.
So there's one negative point.
It adds character.
I see soap door jams coming out of the door jam.
We got no key to it. We got no,
He's touching the car. He's touching the car.
we got no key to it. It hurts.
Let's take a look at Joey and Emily.
It's perfect.
It's clean.
It's so good.
Tires are dressed.
Touch it.
Ooh, tires are dressed and clean.
Ha!
No, wait a second.
Go team.
Oh, what is that, honey?
Oh, is
look,
that
look.
clean?
There's nothing there.
Wow.
I do see some possibly Blazin Banana that is dried onto the surface. This better not be dirt, Joey.
That is, that's not dirt. That's just that's a stain. That's from.
That's the
interesting.
sun.
That's the reflection. That's how wet it looks.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh! Oh!
I was rushed.
Now, both teams did an amazing job of cleaning up these Teslas, but they had 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes remaining, and we're gonna give them the opportunity to grab whatever they need to get these cars looking their best, taking the critiques that I've given them to make this car look its best, because detailing is more than just rushing through it. It's about those fine, meticulous details. So guys, you have 5 minutes to go get whatever you need, clean up whatever remaining areas around the vehicle, and get these vehicles back to the owner looking their best.
Oh, so we're still going. We're still going. Oh, we're still going. All right, let's go. What do I need?
Towels.
I'm gonna bring it.
Let me hold this for you.
I don't know what I'm doing. Here, let me. Which
Probably
cord?
best. I feel like I need to do this.
"60 seconds! 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. What comes after 7? 5,
2,
4, 3,
10,
2, 1.
We won.
Both teams did a great job cleaning up these Teslas, and it was really hard to choose a winner because although they looked very similar, they both had different characteristics as well as different styles of cleaning it. So without further ado, I believe that our winner today is going to be Joey and Emily, just because I feel like they have more work to do. These guys left soap on the vehicle, the tires were still dirty, and they dressed on top of it. But thanks so much for tuning in, guys. We'll see you on the next one.
Nick, you forgot something. They're also cheaters.
And fired.
And fired.